In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an offer and a funnel here on Warrior Plus. So what I'm looking at right now is the offers page, which you can go to by clicking on the offers link up here. So what you're going to want to do is click on new offer. And as you can see here, there are two steps. So I'm just going to quickly type in the information here, and this is just an example. Okay, and then I'm going to just click on create. And as it says here, it says this offer requires an admin approval before it can be activated. So it is not yet live on the Warrior Plus marketplace. Okay, and now this is where I would put in the sales page URL or the Warrior Special Offer post. So for this example, let's just type in, since I don't really have a sales page for this example, let's see if they'll accept google.com. And of course, if you had a Warrior Special Offer, an offer in the forum, you can select that here. Okay, checkout banner. For now, I could skip that. Pre-launch, we'll skip. Allow affiliates on. Affiliate information. This is a demo. JV page URL. I highly recommend you create your own JV page so you could capture um, email addresses of your affiliates so you can notify them whenever you launch products. But for now, I'm just going to skip that. Okay, and then just click on create. Oh, and by the way, you can also connect your autoresponder here. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm not going to go through that right now. So I'm just going to click on create. Please enter a URL. Okay, so it's not accepting Google. There you go. Okay, so I believe it is done. Demo offer. It says this offer is not yet active. And as you can see here, for this offer, you can see the offer pages. This is the main page. Page is empty. I have to add a product here. So you click on this. Commission rate, you could choose that. Let's just choose 50%. And demo product front end. Now this I've already created in the product section. Okay, and it's very simple to create a product. So once you create your products, you can see them in this drop down menu here. So I've selected demo product front end for this example. Click on save. Okay, and just as a reminder, when you do want to create your products to put in the offer, you just go right here where it says products. Okay, so there you go. I've created the front end here. So if we don't have an actual funnel, this is just we just have one product. This is it. We're good to go, and we would just submit a request here for admin approval. Okay, but we're gonna go further, and we're gonna add an upsell and a downsell. So it says here, have an upsell. Click here to create a new page, and that's what I'm gonna do. Name demo upsell. Save. Okay, and it says page is empty, so add a product. So click on that. Available products, upsell. There's no upsell to this actual upsell, so we just skip all that. Save. Okay, and there you go. But it says here page not in your funnel. Okay, so you just click on Y. Okay, so basically it's saying that we have to link it to this product. So you would just click on this right here where it says add upsell. And there you go. So now you have an upsell here. And now have another upsell or downsell. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a downsell. Okay. And add a product. Okay. And like I said, I've already created these products before I shot this video, so they're already set up here, but they're very easy to set up. Commission rate 50%. Okay, and there you go. So now I have a main offer in the front end, an upsell, and a downsell. And you can see the map down here of the funnel. You can see it's from the front end, it goes to the upsell, and then it goes to the downsell. Okay, and right here is where you would get the codes for your buy buttons and your no thanks link, your no thank links, and for your other buttons. So let's just click on this just to take a look here. So this is what the button looks like. You could change the look of it. Right here it says add to cart. If you want to change the text, you could click on where it says buy now and it'll say buy now or free download. Free trial. Okay, so you could edit this button, and this is the code right here. And you could also get your other codes here. For example, your no thanks link, your exit pop, and your countdown timer.